So I was just talking to a friend of mine who said that her friend had just been betrayed. And in the beginning, she was feeling all empowered and she was going to do all these different things. And then the partner said, well, I think I have an addiction. And with that, it was like all bets were off and she started making excuses for the behavior. He started making excuses for the behavior, and everything she was planning on doing to change just came to a screeching halt. I am not minimizing trauma at all, but what I do see very often is when someone said they've betrayed, they say they have some sort of an addiction, and then the other partner doesn't do anything to help themselves, to heal themselves. It becomes all about the partner who has the addiction. I am not saying do not get support, do not get the help. What I am saying, though, is when you only focus on the addiction and not on the betrayal and the behaviors that the addiction is creating, you're enabling both of you. It is a beautiful opportunity to get all the support you need to heal from your addiction, and a beautiful opportunity to heal from your betrayal as well. So you don't want to stop your healing because someone has an addiction. You want to get them the support they need, and you need to do your healing as well. When you don't, you're enabling you're enabling the other person, and preventing yourself from moving through the 5 proven predictable stages when you're healing from betrayal. That is classic stage 2, stage 3, and it'll keep you in stage 2 and stage 3. And I even asked her, I'm like, what's her history? And she has a lifetime of these types of relationships. And here's the thing, if nothing changes, nothing changes. So the only guarantee is more of the same, whether it's with this partner, the next one, the next one, the next one. If you don't take that opportunity to completely transform and use the experience as a catalyst for your transformation, guaranteed more of the same, and you deserve so much better than that. So follow for more, move through the 5 stages. They're proven, they're predictable. It's all we do within the PBT Institute, here to help whenever you need it.